Welcome to ADT Sharda Bai Pawar Mahila Arts Commerce Science College Sharda Nagar Baramati. I am Professor Poonam Mishra. Brought for you subject Secretarial Practice, in which we are learning chapter number 7, Correspondence with the Debenture Holders. So students, as of now we have seen the letter on allotment of debenture, the letter on the payment of interest on debenture by dividend warrant, means physically. Now we will learn the letter for the payment of debenture electronically through electronic clearing system or NEFT. So as you know the format, students, you can see that first you have to see the name and address. You have to write the name and address of the company, then phone and fax reference, website, email and date. After that, the name and address of the shareholder and the subject of the letter. So the subject of letter here is payment of interest on debenture electronically. So how we will start the letter? So it will be like that. I am instructed by the board of director to convey you that, means it is informed to secretary to inform the shareholder that the board of director has decided and passed the resolution in the board meeting which is going to be held on 10th March 2019, finalizing to payment of interest at the rate of 10% on redeemable debenture of rupees 100 each for the year ending 31st March 2019. Further, the secretary will mention that your company has complied, means the company has completed all the provisions relating to the payment of interest on debentures. Details of interest payable to shareholder is given below. So first they have mentioned registered number, number of debenture, distinctive number 6012700, gross amount of interest 1000. If the 100 debentures of rupees 100 each, so what will be the net, students? 10,000, and interest of 10% on this will be 1000. We will reduce 10, and TDS is nil, no any TDS is deducted from the interest. So the secretary is writing further, interest will be paid by the electronic medium, means electronic clearing system or NEFT, by the ending of said interest to your bank account, means the shareholders bank account, as per the detail provided by you to the company, means whatever the detail is provided by the shareholder to the company, in that bank account the interest of debenture will be credited electronically. Yours faithfully for Balaji Steel Limited, signed, signature of secretary. The next letter, important letter from this chapter, is the conversion of debenture into equity shares. Yes, students, you know that the company issue the debentures for 10 to 15 years, 5 years. So in that case, 10, 15 and 5 years. So some debenture out of these are the convertible. Convertible means which will be converted into shares after the maturity. So if it is going to be converted into shares after the maturity, it will be intimated to shareholder with letter. So again the format is same, students. You can see Krishna Electronic Limited, registered office numbers, corporate identity number, left hand side phone fax reference, right hand side website, email and date of the letter. Then below the phone, fax and reference, name and address of the particular shareholders. So Mahesh Malpani, 20 Balaji Complex, Lakshmi Road, Solapur. So here is the subject of letter, conversion of debenture into equity shares. Dear sir, I am directed to inform you that, means I am told to say you that, means I am directed to inform you that in accordance with the term decided at the time of issue of 1 lakh 10% fully convertible debenture. So this was the terms and condition for 1 lakh 10% fully convertible debentures are due for conversion. So after now the maturity is over, and now this debenture will be converted into equity shareholder. This information will be given by the secretary to shareholders. So in accordance with the above, special resolution should be passed in the extraordinary general meeting which was held on 25th May 2019 for the approval of conversion of debenture into equity shares in the ratio of 2:1, means for 2 debenture 1 equity shares as will be converted. As per your letter of option, you have been allotted 50 equity shares. So Mahesh Malpani has been allotted 50 equity shares in the lieu of 100 debenture. So he was holding 100 debenture, and for that he will get only 50 equity shares. After that, the details of conversion will be mentioned in the table: folio number, debenture held, number of equity share issued, number, distinctive number of equity share, and share certificate number. Duly signed and executed share certificate is enclosed. Enclosed means attached. Attachment herewith. Debenture certificate will be null or void with effect from 25th May 2019. Thanking you. Yours faithfully for Krishna Electronic Limited. Signed Mr. Nitin Saraf, Company Secretary. So this was also very easy letter, student. You just know the topic, then you will be able to write your content. Okay. So now the next and the last letter from this chapter is redemption of debenture. You know that the company also issued the redeemable debenture which will be paid back after some time or after the maturity. So if the redemption date has come, so the secretary will intimate to shareholder with the help of letter only. So again here we are going to see the letter of redemption of debenture. Swastik Marble Limited, registered office, corporate identity number, phone, fax, reference, website, email and date, name and address of the shareholder, subject of the letter. So subject of the letter is redemption of debentures. So dear madam, this is to inform you that 10 lakh 10% non-convertible debenture issued. If the debenture is not non-convertible, then it will be redeemable. It will be repaid, students. If it is convertible, it will not be repaid. It will be converted into equity shares, as we have seen in the last letter. So this is to inform you that 1 lakh 10% non-convertible debenture issued in the May 2014 are due for redemption on 12 November 2019. So the letter is written on 10th October. According to the board resolution 3462 passed at the board meeting held on 8th October, if the letter is of the 10th October, the board meeting must be held before of that date. So 8th October, debenture shall be redeemed out of the debenture redemption reserve fund. So from where the amount will be paid for redemption, DRR must be created by every company. From that DRR, the company will pay the amount, principal amount on debenture. So please arrange to submit the enclosed redemption form. So shareholder has to submit the redemption form along with the original debenture certificate to the company on or before 3rd November 2019. Means before the due date, all the process will be done. So on the completion of above formality, the redemption amount will be credited to your bank account. You are requested to provide us your bank account detail. Thanking you. Yours faithfully, signature Mrs. Usha Surti, company secretary. Enclosure will be debenture redemption form. So basically, this correspondence with the member and correspondence with the debenture holder we have covered. Students, almost the content are same, just you have to focus on the title or subject of the letter, and accordingly the information and content can be framed. If you can't frame it, please by heart the letter and note it down in your notebook. Till then, thank you and meet you in the next video very soon. Bye bye.